Thutha wa President Uhuru Kenyatta kwanirira mitaratara mieru iria irateithia kuhingura bururi hindi ino kuri na murimu wa COVID-19, a Kenya na honge itiganite ni macokireirie mihango yao na kuri na murimu uyu, na riu ona motungata ma thirikari marorete gucokereria mothe. Riri ni icera ria munini wa ministry ni autungata wa muingi Mary Kimonye ceceni-ini ya Huduma Center ya Nanyuki kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, kuria atariirie ati aruti othe a thirikari riu ni megucoka wira.
Need now for the government officers, public servants to prepare themselves to serve wananchi and serve wananchi within the context of COVID.
President Uhuru Kenyatta hau kabere ni athanite ati maabitha othe a utungata wa muingi aria makiritie miaka 58 marutire wira micii-ini yao, na aya marerikana matikwamba gucoka wabici ona riu.
If you are working from home, of course your supervisor might not be able to supervise you, but it is expected that you will be an officer of honor and you will give wananchi the time and the service that you are supposed to receive.
Kuma COVID-19 ya hura hoti Kenya, motungata ma thirikari yota maria mangi ni mahotomirio, na ona Huduma Center ikoretwo ikiheana motungata ma ibande tu, indi riu motungata mothe ni matanyitwo gucokereria.
Now with the progressive opening of the economy, the Huduma Center needs to go to full operation. So we came here to prepare ourselves, as you can see, putting in the COVID measures and protocols in place, ensuring that within the center there is social distancing, that both wananchi and our officers are protected.
It is a blessing also to the people of Laikipia Central, which forms part of Laikipia's constituency, for Madam Kimonye and his team to agree and accept our proposal to construct a Huduma Center at Makutano in Weyomerere, and that will ease the distance and the time that is taken for service, getting services from the government.
Na o ta uria mihango iracokereria andu makiigitira murimu wa COVID-19, uguo no uguo ona maabitha ya a thirikari megucokereria.
So my call is now to other government agencies, the county government and all the other agencies who had stopped their services at Huduma Center to prepare themselves to resume services at the Huduma Center.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, jitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.